Hey Math 8, linear and nonlinear functions. Not very difficult. In fact, if it's a graph, it's really simple, and we'll get to those. Tables, just a little more difficult, but not bad whatsoever. So let's get into our first table here. Notice on my XY table right here, okay, I want to know between the first two Y values, did this go up or down? And you're probably looking at that going, well, it went up, and it went up 3 points. Okay. At the same time, how much did the X values go up or down? And from -1 to 0, it went up 1. So we would say that we'd take the Y value, 3 divided by the 1, and we would say 3 divided by 1 equals 3. Okay. Now, as we take a look at these values, going from -6 to +3, did it go up or down? Well, that went up 9. At the same time, we went from 0 to 3 on the X values. Those went up 3. 9 divided by 3, you always take the Y divided by the X. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Last one, going from 3 to 9, it went up 6. Going from 3 to 5, went up 2. 6 divided by 2, the Y value divided by the X value equals 3. If these are all the same change, then it is linear. If any one of them had been different, it would not be linear. So this one is yes, it's linear. Let's do another one. Okay. These Y values going from 0 to -2 went down 2. The X values going from 3 to 0 went down 3. So we went down 2 over down 3. By the way, two negatives create a positive, so this one went up 2/3. Okay, going from -2 to +2, we went up 4. Going from 0 to 6, we went up 6. 4 over 6 would equal the same as simplified 2/3. Going from 2 to -4, we went down 6. Going from 6 to -3, we went down 9. -6 over -9, see, the two negatives create a positive. 3 goes into each of those, so it would be 2/3. You'll notice our change in every one of these was 2/3. So again, if all three changes are the same, then yes, it's linear. Okay. Now, how do we do it on the graphs? Is that a straight line or is that a curved line? Hopefully you said to yourself, well, that's a curved line. Then that is not a linear line. Linear means a straight line. Yeah, it's that easy. Is this a straight line? One straight line? No, it's a curved line. So that is, no, it's not a linear line. Graphs are really easy to tell. That's all I got for you. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.